Now, and we bring in our chief meteorologist, Kevin Robinson. A lot going on here over the next couple days. So let's start with what's going on right now, Kevin.
And that's been those gusty winds throughout the day that are taking a little bit of a break here this evening, but will come back with a vengeance late tonight and tomorrow for sure. Peak wind gusts today commonly between 30 to 40. Lunkin the exception there, topping 45. We may get gusts over 50 tomorrow. Now the clouds have rolled in and you may be concerned about rain the next few hours, but radar is quiet and it should stay dry throughout the better part of the night tonight. That will change though closer to sunup as this potent storm center out here around Kansas City really winds up and then moves in our direction. It's going to bring all the weather to us in one day tomorrow, including gusty downpours. I expect widespread wind gusts of 30 to 45 miles per hour tomorrow. There will likely be parts of the tri-state that could see damaging gusts in excess of 50. And while the severe threat is not zero, it is very, very low. I think the greater threat for severe weather is still much farther to our south, but we'll see a big drop in temperatures. We'll probably drop 30 degrees in about 4 or 5 hours tomorrow evening. So the greatest concern for high winds comes Thursday afternoon and evening with a line of gusty downpours. Between 3 and 7, it works its way from west to east around the area. Again, I expect widespread wind gusts 30 to 45, but in this peak shading, your best chance of picking up some damaging wind gusts that could exceed 50 miles per hour anywhere from parts of Owen up into Highland County, so just south and east of 71. Watch how this plays out. Again, it's pretty quiet tonight until about 4 a.m. when the rain moves in. And then it's wet for the morning commute tomorrow. Good soaking throughout the day. Just a washout from start to finish. And then notice at 3 o'clock, watch what happens here. You'll see this little signature on Futurecast. This is likely a line of gusty downpours that blows through the area. By 7, it's out. We're just left with some residual chilly showers that could end as a few wet snowflakes as it turns colder tomorrow night and into early Friday. Now the flood watch up north and west of Interstate 71. It does include Hamilton County. Widespread amounts of 1 to over 2.5 inches of rain, a good bet. Brookville, Oxford, Hamilton, up towards Springboro and Franklin as well. Batesville out there in southeast Indiana. Watch those smaller creeks and streams tomorrow evening. It's 61 right now. Temperatures around the area generally around 60 for most of us. And with that south breeze and clouds through the night, temperatures won't fall much. In fact, we're going to stay very mild overnight tonight. Most of us will stay in the low 50s until that rain chance increases about 4 a.m. or so. So 51 tonight, a little less wind most of the night, but then it starts to ramp back up towards morning. Strong winds, the hallmark of tomorrow. It's a weather impact day. Heavy rain also going to be a big issue. Both commutes look nasty for us. Here's a look at your day planner. Basically, the entire day is a weather impact day as the weather will be impactful from start to finish. Your 7-day forecast, look at that, down to 24 by Friday morning, and then obviously chilly start Friday and Saturday, Mike, before temperatures recover and we start a nice warming trend on Sunday.
All right, Kevin, appreciate the update. A girls' youth